Hi Titans, are you also struggling and tired of typing your email address or any essentials whenever you are filling a form or anything that requires that? So many people miss so much opportunities just because they made a slight mistake in typing their email address. And if you are still part of the people that save their essentials on their note for them to copy and paste whenever the need arise, please stop that. Just so you know, it's not all website or forms that allow copy and paste. Instead, let me show you the most amazing way to do it in just some seconds. Go to settings, scroll down to general, click on it and scroll down and tap on keyboard. Click on text replacement. Click the plus button to add a text replacement. You can add as many as you want. Then here on the press, let me type this email address tech4titan@gmail.com. Then I will give it a shortcut that I can easily type for it to pop out. You can absolutely add anything, even if it is just a number or a single letter. But advisably, you should have something better. Because you don't want a situation whereby whenever you type that letter or that number, the email address or any essentials that you put will come out first. Let me tell you what I do personally. Whenever I'm writing any shortcut, I will make sure I type @ first, followed by anything that I want to add. I normally add just one alphabet that suits that press. For example, now I'm going to type @e, meaning at email address. Then if it is my home address, I'm going to type @h and so on. Let's try it now. @, then E, and tada! You can add as many as you want. Is this something you like? Save this video for later and share with at least one of your contacts that you think might like this. See you in the next one.